my lovely people, how na dey? I hope so na dey fine. In today's video I wan show na hair when I order from Nigeria. Now the first one be this. So now the second one na three like this. And the third one na be this one. So I'll start with this one. My lovely people, I appreciate all the support and they support me till they watch my video. I appreciate all of una. May God do for now waiting and nothing do for yourself. Yes, if you want to buy hair like this, hair whether they say if you order na Nigeria now for order this hair. So if you start from there, order any color of attachments, crochet and wig. Start your business today. Start small. Start with what you have small. Before you know, you don't buy many. I don't open the first one now. So the bag is big now. 2 Ghana must go 9 days inside one. So all now can be 6 bags like this. So now one na be this, now 2 bags like this, 9 days inside 2 Ghana must go. So I'll first start with this one now. Now see, and this one are Lagos braid 9 days side. This one are just color 1, and your day side the full bag. Color 1. This now you don't need to do any work now, just to open now you start to use them because they don't already prepare the hair down. I don't pack one bag come out, so now the second one now I want start so. I don't see the hair now black color. So at the count time and make sure say I know how many pieces of hair follow and come. So I just count everything. You pack everything come out like that. Start your hair business today. A lot of work. If I count the hair finish now, I'll constantly arrange them for inside back like that. So one full bag don't finish. The second one I be this. I get bonnet, different colors. And see as the colors fine, are different colors now I get. So this one are kinky. If you use them for crochet, you fit twist them. Now the black one I be this. So I get braided wig. Now when you open so, me I show now how it be. Now short one be this. This one is synthetic, now the hair be. I get amla oil for hair. Now the bottle be this. So now this shine and jam now till they do people hair. If they want still buy, they fit still buy it like that. So I get oil to mix cream. So mix this hair cream is good well. I get different type. This one is still the one they still till they make hair like edge control. Blue Magic. This one a body cream. Yeah, they use this one till they mix cream. Yeah, this one is still edge control. So I don't feel open all the hair today. I don't tire now. This one now I feel open. So I go continue from there. If I don't fair pack this one come up for ground, I will continue the next day. This bag now I get pink attachments, pink color. Now different color now inside this bag. I get purple. So I make sure say I arrange them so that if I find the colors, I know you they turn around or you know where it is. Go arrange them for different bags. So now the cream, body cream and the hair cream now arrange for here. This one I cut it comb, so I get different type when I'll take the change. This one they use until they paint my nails. Thank you, my lovely people. I appreciate all the support. Before you go, may you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go see you now for my next video. Bye.